What is going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be installing the Steeda Lift rails for the Focus, as well as rear shocks, because mine are bad. So let's get started. Here are the rails. What hardware's there? These were actually on back order for a long time. So I guess everyone else wanted to install them at the same time.
Are those the same for the STs as well?
Yeah, no bolts onto any of them. All cars are pretty much the same. There's only slight differences with this one. But I guess we can go ahead and ironically jack the car up and then start installing these. So here's what we did. Went ahead and jacked the car up from the jack point here, and then put it on the ramps so nothing's in the way. And on this side in the front, put it right down here. That's going to be out of the way because we need to get the bolts here and here. So in order just to get the car a little bit more even, we're going to go ahead and do the same for the front instead of using that jack point.
Unless you want weight jackers in the car, it's probably not a good idea to set it crooked.
Yeah. So alright, so that side's up. Yes. We got like two 10mm. So 30mm on the bottom and the back for this plastic. Snaps out. Alright, and this is actually the brake e-brake cable that we replaced on the disc swap right here. Alright, so then we gotta move on to the front. Alright, so 15. This one.
Go ahead.
Alright, so this small one right here is going to fit inside the center hole on the square part here. Fit. I think mine is actually like dented. There we go. Center of that. Get this bar. Swing it towards you. this nut here goes up. Here, hold, keep this flat and then like kind of lock it like that. I think that that's just like a cushion race or something like that.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Alright, so that's got to stay a little bit loose. And then we got to now move to the back.
Oh. Not drop that on my face. We just need something to tighten it with.
Alright. I think that one's the 16. I'm gonna check.
It is the 16.
Don't tighten that one down fully. We gotta tighten the fronts down first. Go ahead and rinse all these. So 13 here. Alright, so now we can tighten that last one down and we're done with this side. So this rail's done. You do replace this one. Same as you took it off, all the points are the same, nothing's changed. I don't have any rubber pads, so I'm just using some cloth for now. I'm going to see if I can get the whole thing with it. And this is going to be, I'm jacking that right where that the extra metal plate was.
I think you're good, sir.
Alright, so gently assist.
That jack is about as old as both Anthony and I.
Alright, that worked well. Now I guess we'll flip around.
Yep. The underside of that car is gonna be nice and soaked now. So you made it all of 100 feet?
Yeah, I can really tell there's some nice chassis stiffening.
Mm-hmm. Only on one side.
Yeah, really nice. Alright.
So we get to do the same thing on this side. Just now everything's wet. And this dragonfly keeps flying into the light.
Wait, so it's the same on this side. Alright, I'm done. How long did that take?
7 minutes and 59 seconds.
The back wheel off. So we gotta get these bolts right here out. That one right there. And that one over there. And then there's one down at the very bottom. Alright, so here is what we picked up. Pretty much what we could get for a decent price. I'm going to go ahead and open it up real quick. Right, here we are.
Quite shocking, I know. That was bad.
Somebody slap them.
That was bad, joke.
All right, so basically what we have to do is get the rear off and then transfer the top part over. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that old one now. You know what's sad? We didn't have this off too long ago.
I can get you the adapter and you can use the big torque or the big back if you want, or you can keep going because I can see you're making some progress. Done. Not I got mid-size and extended. Sound like it did something. I would say that's blown.
Blown out.
It appears there's no more fluid because it is on the outside of the shock. Yeah, I would say that's blown. It's not going back up. Just spinning. Try compressing it. I'm so smart, aren't I?
Sometimes. Only sometimes.
That is true.
Good shot. Alright, so
No skizzers.
too slow. Oh.
Look at that.
So nuts.
Well, would you look at that? That's your, wait, that's your, that's your phrase. Well, wait till you look at that! Nah, that's not my style. That's your style. Ever tell you how much I love this thing?
Here we are, all installed on this side. Now we're going to jump to the next side and get that done. It's actually really easy. Mm-hmm. Just slightly pull up on the... Right there. All these down by hand, make sure they're on tight. Quite crafty on the impact driver, isn't that Strut?
That's why I don't like it.
Alright, that's it. All we gotta do is put the wheel back on and we'll be done for today.
Alright guys, so that concludes this episode. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure you hit the bell so you get notifications. Go ahead and like the video if you thought it was helpful at all. And if you have any comments or questions or concerns, leave us a comment. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.